Jailbreaking your Fire Stick can be really simple as long as you follow this guide. This is our latest guide ready for the summer coming through. So if you're a Fire Stick user and you want to see how to do it really quickly, really easily, make sure you hit that follow button and do hit that subscribe button. This will take a couple of minutes and I'll show you how you can get as many apps as you want, all the ones you're after, and you have a good selection to choose from. Okay, first thing you're going to do is let me know your thoughts on the video underneath, and then go to your magnifying glass. You're going to search in here, you're going to type downloader. D-O-W, downloader. Click on the downloader, get it installed, but do not open it yet. If yours is installing, pause the video. Once it's installed, we push play again, and we go back to our home screen. What you need to do is make your downloader work so you can download applications. That's the first step before we download a great app store for you. So go across, go to your settings, go down to My Fire TV, click on developer options. If you do not have developer options, you just click on about and you click the one at the top. Mine's Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Whatever your one says, click this 7 times and you'll become a developer. Nice and easy again. Okay, go back one. So you're back in this bit. Developer options, turn it ADB debugging on, install unknown apps, turn it on for downloader. Okay, turn that on. Brilliant. Next, you're going to go back to your home screen and you're going to find the downloader app. Mine's on the screen. Yours will most likely be under the 3 squares and the plus. Go down into My Apps and you'll find your downloader in here. Big orange icon with downloader written on it. Yours probably at the bottom, mine's at the top here. So we're going to click it, you're going to open it. As it opens, it's extremely important to accept permissions it asks. It needs to access your files so things you download can save on your device. If you don't accept that, you will get errors when you try and download. You'll probably get a pass error and then you'll be commenting underneath, why is it not working? Brilliant. Next up, we're going to put a code in here and make it really easy for you. Today's code, you're going to type 7, 2, 4, 3, 6. You're going to then click go, and that will load you through to a page, straight to a download page where you can get what we're after today. Brilliant. While you're waiting, another good opportunity to hit that follow button. Okay, once on here, you scroll down and you're straight down to the big grey download button. As simple as a big grey download button. And you click download. For anyone who says it's hard to navigate, I've just done it in seconds. You then click install. And then you click done. And then you click delete. Okay, and delete. You can then push your home screen again. And the application we have downloaded will be on your device. You would then need to go to the 3 squares and the plus. Go to My Apps. And you'll find it in here. And it has, mine's up here, but yours will be at the bottom. It is like a clock. This application is a store, and within that store, there's loads of different categories. Some categories have pin locks on them. If anyone needs to know the pin numbers, do ask in the comments. People will help you out, and they will put them in there, okay? I will put them in there and reply to who I can. If not, I'll put them in the pinned comment or a link for you to go and get those access codes, but majority are open. I don't want to open it and show you because different countries allow different applications. Some will be allowed in your country, some will be allowed in other countries. So that's found for you guys to check out. But if you're downloading apps from within there, again, you would need to turn the setting on in your developer options. So if you don't know what I mean, you go to your settings, go down to My Fire TV, again, developer options, install unknown apps, and then on the application we just installed, we turn that one on. So that means that can install applications for you as well when you click on them, and then they will install onto your device. It's that simple. The other thing I would recommend while you're on there, obviously we've done it in under 5 minutes, is if you're downloading applications, if you're streaming online, I would recommend a VPN. So if you're after a VPN, we will link that underneath for you as well. IPVanish currently have a great deal, 83% off. I always have mine turned on. It has threat protection on there as well to block against threats and tracking cookies. So it's definitely worth getting installed and getting on your device while the offer is on and while it's cheap. Brilliant. I hope you liked that one. That is now installed on your device. You can set it up. Hope you enjoyed it. We will keep you updated throughout the year for different ways, but this is still the best way going forward because it's minimal risk. Things are updated on there and it's nice and easy to navigate and installed on your device. Plus, all the rest of the videos you might need are on my channel. Hit that follow button. We keep you up to date. Hit that subscribe and I'll see you soon.